Social update UG kakati mawulire nno gannaku. One dead, 3 missing after boat capsizes on Lake Victoria. Bino nno bibaddewo mu 16 mwezi ogwokubiri. Mu kifaananyi awo nno byolaba, those are cows that were in the same boat with 5 people and had been retrieved at Chirongo landing site. Teberezaamu eryato kabaddeko n'ente 5. Kitegeera kabaddeko n'ente n'abantu. What you need to know is that an eyewitness, Mr. Elisa Mukisa, says the boat was loaded with 5 people, about 5 cows, 1 sack of silverfish, mukene, and 1 motorcycle. Ku lyato kuno kwabaddeko abantu 5, ente nga 5, akakutiya ka mukene kalamba, ne pichi. Kitegeera. A search and rescue team was by Friday evening searching for 3 more bodies of passengers who went missing following a Thursday evening boat accident on Lake Victoria. The ill-fated boat, according to police, was transporting people from Chirongo landing site in Busamuzi sub-county Buvuma district, heading to Chiyindi landing site in Buyukwe district on the mainland. In the same boat, there were 4 cows and sacks of silverfish. At least 5 passengers were on board. The incident occurred at around 9 p.m. according to a survivor, a female passenger. According to Miss Helen Butoko, the Sezibwa Regional Police spokesperson, preliminary investigations show that the boat's skipper, only identified as Mr. Kabenge, hired the boat from a one Mr. Derek Omoro to ferry passengers and cargo, and upon arrival at Chirongo landing site, he loaded 4 passengers, 5 cows, 1 sack of silverfish, and a motorcycle. Miss Wototo said the boat was loaded beyond its capacity, and despite warnings against overloading, the boat skipper reportedly ignored this, asserting his expertise in water transport. However, shortly after setting off from Chirongo landing site, distress calls came from occupants seeking help. Residents led by Mr. Fred Dungu mounted a rescue operation using another wooden boat, but only retrieved the capsized boat with 5 carcasses of cows. By Friday evening, 1 body of a female adult, only identified as Narongo, and 5 carcasses of cows had been retrieved. Unfortunately, 3 others remain missing, but the overloaded nature of the boat is likely to cause or to have caused a tragic accident and incident on the waters. Our marine police are tirelessly working to ensure that bodies are retrieved and other valuable items are retrieved as well. The Toto explained. This is the second fatal boat accident in the same district in a space of 2 months. On December 11, 3 female passengers died when a boat they were traveling in capsized on Lake Victoria between Chirewa and Namiti Islands. At least 24 passengers were on board. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button. Peace.